What's the matter? Why does Mithai look nervous? She is a world famous cook. At least that's what everybody thinks. Is anything wrong?
How will I make the dish with this fish? Oh Lord, I don't know how I'll do it. Please help.
What are you staring at? Will you go and help Mithai? Listen, I'll take everybody to the terrace on some excuse. Got it? Go and help her. Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. Hey, everyone,
Yes.
I suggest that all of us go to the terrace.
What?
Terrace?
Yes. Won't we enjoy an interesting conversation before our great uncle comes? There's still some time before he
Yes,
arrives.
yes.
Yes,
of course,
that's a good
yes.
proposal. I'll go to the prayer room. Papa, come.
Yes,
with me.
yes. Dad, go. Hey, all of you go.
Yes, Grandpa, come.
Okay.
Come, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
Come.
What's wrong? Is there a problem? Do you want me to check online?
What?
Why do you look so confused? I mean, why did Mithai become so slow? What's the matter?
Mithai didn't slow down, got it? You were supposed to bring different fish, but you got different one. Now I don't know how to prepare the dish with this fish. Grand uncle has requested to prepare the dish with that fish. Even if I go to the market to buy fish, I won't get it. It's already late now. If I go to the market, everybody will find out.
What are you saying, Mithai? I mean, how is this possible? I matched the pictures of the fish on the internet. Hey, I'm sure you're playing a prank on me. You're trying to pull my leg, right?
Prank. Do you think I'll play a prank at this time? I'm wondering how I'll manage the situation.
Look, Mithai, what are you saying? I had. How did I make this mistake? I bragged in front of the entire family. Look, I'm sure you're making a mistake. I've brought the right fish. Come on, check it. I'm sure I've brought the right fish.
Oh Lord, how do I explain it to him? This is not the right fish, the one which we have
keep
asked
it, keep
you.
it, keep
Go
it
and
down.
ask anybody and they will ensure that I'm speaking the truth. But I can't even call anyone.
Why, Mithai? I mean, why didn't you tell me before that I'd brought the wrong fish? There would have been no problem if you had said it. At the end of the day, my uncle will eat this fish preparation.
How could I say it? Everybody would have laughed at you. It would have made you upset.
Strange. You would have been really happy if everybody had made fun of me, right?
You are right. Actually, the thing is, Mithai didn't want Sid to feel humiliated.
Look, Mithai, if you're sure that I've brought the wrong fish and you can't make that particular preparation with it, then you should inform everybody. It'll create unnecessary chaos.
You don't have to say anything to anybody right now. Mithai is trying to do something. Let's see what I can do. You can reveal the truth to everybody later. After all, grandfather's grandson went to the market for the first time, and that too on Munni. He has brought fresh fish. This is not a small thing. Granduncle will be very happy if he hears it. Hey, actually, Lord will help me with the rest. I suddenly remembered somebody. You go and relax, don't worry. I'll call her and she'll provide me with a solution.
Whom will you call?
I'll call Sister Sudeepa. I'll call Sudeepa. She hosts the cookery show Rannagar on Zee TV. I'll call her. She visits our sweet shop quite often. Got it?
Do whatever you think is right, but
Hello?
Sister Sudeepa, you know I'm in great trouble, so I called you. Please help me.
What happened, Mithai?
Actually, I was supposed to cook fish curry today, but Sid has brought wrong fish. Can I make a dish similar to with this fish also?
Why not, Mithai? You can make it the way we make fish curry. Follow my instructions. Onions, garlic, ginger. Grind all of them in a mixer. You can also add some coriander leaves to it. This fish has a smell, so add the spices nicely to this fish. Add boiled potatoes to it. Also add refined flour to it. Don't tell anyone about this. Mix them well, make balls with the mixture and add them to the boiling water. Oh, by the way, don't forget to add salt and sugar. But there's one ingredient that you cannot forget to put in this dish.
Which one?
Why? Your love. If you cook anything with love, it'll increase the taste of any dish. Always remember this.
Thank you, Sister Sudeepa. I'll cook this dish with the fish Sid has brought.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh Lord. I pray that nobody dislikes the dish. I hope everybody likes it. Please help. Oh Lord. Please make sure that our reputation doesn't go for a toss.
I mean, all good? Is everything okay? No, I mean, I didn't realize that I made such a big mess. So the smell is quite good.
The Lord is with me. He will handle everything. Don't worry.
I don't understand how you can rely so much on Lord during a crisis. It would have been better if you had told everybody the truth. It would have been really simple for everyone.
We'll handle it when that happens. You can tell him. Why do you need to stress everybody unnecessarily?
Are you helping Mithai? Carry on.
Hey, your genius doesn't need any help. What are you doing here? You went to chat with your gang, right?
He's feeling shy.
What are you doing here? Like, weren't you all on the terrace?
Yes, we were. Why, Siddharth? Any problem?
Yes, that's obvious, Nanda. Yes, we have disturbed them.
What nonsense, Rajiv. What do you mean? What are you saying?
Brother, why are you using such language? Sid doesn't understand all this. Do you understand?
What? Do you think I don't understand anything? Why do you always taunt me, Ratul? And by the way, do you understand this poetic language and all?
Point. But do you know Brother Ratul loves poems?
Yes, he does.
He had done recitations earlier,
Yes, he has.
but he has stopped doing it lately. Come on, Brother Ratul, recite something for Shri.
Yes, say it.
Nanda?
Yes?
There is no need to pull our legs
What?
now. No need to recite anything now. All of you wanted tea, right? Here it is. Rajiv, Please look properly before picking up. It's coffee for Atul.
Okay, so you have made tea for everybody and coffee for Ratul.
Oh my
Thank
Shri.
you.
Just like Mithai, who makes special tea for Brother Sid, I think you have also made special coffee for Ratul. Since when did you become so efficient?
One second, Nipa. What are you trying to say? When did Mithai make special tea for me? Your observations are really strange. And by the way, it's no big deal to make tea. It's not a big deal, okay? I can make tea for myself.
Hmm.
Why would I make anything specially for Sid?
Sid, your green tea, Mithai has kept over there. Right, Mithai?
Ratul, I didn't want anything.
Oh my. Listen, I am losing my mind after seeing this behavior of the newlyweds. And I don't understand anything at all.
Learn something, Nanda. Learn something.
What?
You know what? Learn how to hide feelings from them. You know what? We never did anything like this. We are learning all this from them.
Call your great uncle and find out when he is coming. Mithai is ready with her dish.
Ready? Are you actually ready? Are you sure? Have you done everything properly? I hope my uncle will like it.
Let's see what the Lord does. Oh Lord. Hey Sid, listen to me. Mithai is a very good cook. Don't be so nervous. Our great uncle will definitely appreciate the dish. Hey, listen.
Tell me.
Look how eager he is to hear his wife getting appreciated.
Hey, where are you, Sushma? Where are you? Look here. Come here with your old husband. Come here.
Dad, look who has come. Come here quickly.
Hey, you call your mom. Hey,
Brother?
here she is.
You have arrived?
It's okay.
We are meeting after a long time. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. What's this? Why are you crying? You know what? I met your son there at the airport. Shumo was giving me an excuse for work. After returning from Delhi, I forced him to come with me.
You have done the right thing by forcing him to come. Now forget all this and sit down.
Hold on. Let me meet your old husband first. Where is he?
What happened? Why are you standing there? Come here.
Come on. Siddheshwar, you have remained traditional all your life.
What?
Dressed in kurta pajama, sporting grey hair. You've been busy with your Manohara mansion and family. You don't have any responsibility now. You never did anything for you ever. You left everything to others. And look at my sister. You never did anything for my sister. She didn't get the chance to travel the world.
Are you done?
Yes.
Have you finished your lecture?
Oh, yes, it's over.
Well, you have traveled the world, but you came to Monohara just to have a special fish curry. Am I right? This is my family. My family gives me the joy that you get from traveling the world. This is my world. You won't understand this happiness. You're still a bachelor. You're roaming around like a vagabond with a bald head.
That's true.
What's the use of wearing this cap? You won't get
Dad,
married.
you're just too much. Uncle, come with me and take a seat. Dad, and your argument will never get
I
over.
will definitely take a
Come.
seat, but before that, I would like to meet Siddharth and his wife. Where is he? Where did he go? Oh, why are you standing there? How are you, son?
I'm good, uncle. How are you? Where was your last trip?
Oh, we'll discuss that later. You know what? I'll sit and chat with everybody. Then I'll share everything. Papa, where is Siddharth's wife?
Mithai? Why are you standing there? Come here. Come. Siddharth's wife, Mithai. Seek his blessings.
It's okay. Be happy, my child. Lovely. Siddheshwar, your granddaughter-in-law is very beautiful. Yes. Now I can understand why Siddharth decided not to be a bachelor like me. Lovely. Lovely.
Uncle, now it's your turn to meet your grandson-in-law.
Yes.
Ratul, come here. He's Shree's great uncle. Seek his blessings. Shree's husband.
It's okay. Oh, Lord, he's so tall. Come on. Tell me if you like your husband. Or I'm there for you. A confirmed bachelor. You won't get a smart husband like me.
You don't have to mention it. People like you are rare.
Okay, it's okay. I may not be able to meet you, but I'll stay in touch. I get all the information, but firstly, let me see if I can recognize everybody.
Dad. Oh.
You. Aren't you, Rajiv?
Absolutely. You are 100% right, uncle. Ratul is my brother, but there's no similarity between us. You can clearly see it.
Lord, between me and your grandma, there is no resemblance between us also.
Take blessings.
Yes, come.
Yeah.
Ah.
Mithai, get me a glass of water.
Yes, I'll get it.
Okay. I think we should serve some sweets to Uncle first. Do we have sweets at home?
Yes, I will get it.
Okay. Go and get it.
Appa,
Yes.
come with me, please.
What has happened? Tell me.
Abba, Ammu told me that Siddharth had accepted the challenge to be Mithai's husband for a month. Is it true? Look, if this is really true, then I'll leave this house forever.
What are you doing? Uncle has come home after so many years. Do you want to create a scene before him? Please, please, calm down and talk about this later, okay? I request that you don't shout in front of your uncle. Please do this much for me, please.
What is he going to do? Please tell me that. Do we have to dance to his tunes? What does he want to do?
Why are you?
Excuse me, sir. If you want to say something about my personal life, then tell me directly. Why are you talking to Aunt?
Oh Lord, please help. Please help.
Why are you talking about my personal life?
Sid, come with me. Sid, have you lost your mind? Our great uncle has come home after so many years. Do you think your behavior will keep Grandpa's reputation intact? Please keep quiet. Please.
Uncle, I'll go and freshen up.
Yes.
Sister Shri, will you go and serve the sweets to your great uncle? If I go, then Sid's father will get angry. Please go and serve the sweets.
Shri, please tell her not to overreact. We are going to be husband and wife only for a month, right? Then why is she hesitating to go before everyone? Till now, she has always served our guests, right? Disgusting.